Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Erica and today's video is going to be yet another Chappell Roan makeup look. This one is going to be inspired by her music video and her makeup for Super Graphic Ultra Modern Girl. And yeah, today's look is going to be inspired by hers. It's not going to be an exact replica. I'm going to do my own spin on it. I was like inspired by silver, which is why I have this silver top. So I'm going to do like a little bit of a little something extra that she doesn't have, so we'll just have to see how that goes. Yeah, if you want to see how I get this look, then go ahead and stick around. And also, what else was I gonna say? Oh, I drew a little sketch of what my look is gonna be, since, like I said, it's not an exact replica of Chappell's. I did this like, she has like this blue contour, and then I added some like silver squiggles and stuff like that. So I did that little sketch. I wanted to share it with you guys. What else do I want to say before I get into this look? Just to quickly mention, I'm going to be painting my whole face white with the Mayron Makeup Cream Blend Stick. I got this from the Halloween Spirit store, but you can buy it online also. And so yeah, I will also, like, throughout the video put what products I use, but I just wanted to throw that one out there since that's like the first thing I'm going to use. I'm also going to glue down my brows. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then just stick around. And then also go ahead and follow me over on Instagram and TikTok, because I'm going to post a fun little video related to this where I'm like singing, lip syncing the song Super Graphic Ultra Modern Girl. It's really long. So I'm going to be doing that over there. Go ahead and check that out. I really like that I can like use the sound over there, whereas over here I can't. Yeah, I do really like doing both. I feel like this is the long form content, that's the short form content, and you get a little, they're not the same. Like if you are one of these people that are here for both, you would agree they're not the same. They're its own thing, and I think it's fun. If you do follow my TikTok, you might also notice that there's a couple like extra bonus videos, as I would call them, that don't show up anywhere else. So I post a couple extra here and there. Over on my TikTok, I did post some videos from when I actually went to the Chappell concert, which I didn't post anywhere else. So if you want to be here for the bonus content, then definitely go check out my TikTok. Also, I will say, if Chappell Roan or the makeup or the crazy drag vibe isn't your vibe, that's okay. I actually have some other ideas for future videos, so if this isn't your vibe, maybe the next one will be. I'm like stuck between, like, I might do like a skincare video possibly, or more likely I will do a video called I just got a bunch of new makeup, like try it with me, because I got a bunch of new makeup, just kind of landed in my lap. So I would love to do a little breakdown of what I think of all the products I got and stuff like that. Today I feel like this video is probably going to be similar to my past ones, where like we got the intro and then the middle is more of like a montage, like a quick little time lapse of me doing the makeup, and then I will close it out in the end. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown in case you haven't been here for my other Chappell Roan videos. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. I can also link down below some stuff that I got for this video. This top is one of them, and then I'm trying to think what else I got. Some of the stuff I just so happen to already have. Like I just grabbed a bunch of silver stuff I had. I have these little silver clips. It's kind of hard to tell that they're actually silver. But I have these, and I'm gonna start introducing more accessories as I get further into the video. So yeah, thank you guys for being here, by the way. I really appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to spend with me. I love doing these videos, and I hope you enjoy seeing them. And also subscribe down below so you can be here for the next one. Okay, now I'm gonna stop talking and finally get into this makeup. Okay, so a little update. It was a little hard for me to keep the white so opaque without like, you know, switching from brush to brush. Some brushes would wipe away and some would not. So what ended up working for me was I applied with a stick. Then I took a brush meant for wet products and blended it out. And really the stick is like so opaque that you only need like a few swipes and then you can use this to blend it out because it's a lot of product. Then I used this to smooth it out because that gave me a lot of brush strokes. This really helped with that. Then I set all of that with translucent powder slash white eyeshadow. And I used both the sponge and this fluffy brush. At one point I used this brush, but it's a little too stipply and it started giving me brush strokes. But I have done a white face before and it is not, I have done a white face before and it's definitely hard to, for at least for me, to keep like an all flat, like no texture, smooth canvas, if you get what I mean. This is the best it's gonna get, and we're also gonna add contour and stuff on top, so this is just the blank canvas. I know I look really crazy. I'm giving like demon vibes right now, like I'm terrified. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the rest of this video. Hey guys, oh my god, every time I film an outro for one of these types of videos, I'm just wiped by the end of it. Okay, so how do I wrap this up? So, I ended up using some blue mascara, but since I added like the tiniest little falsies, it's not like the hugest deal, you can't super tell. I also tried some different blue chrome lipsticks, lip glosses, and honestly, they didn't do a whole lot for me. I wanted them to be more dramatic, so I ended up taking this glitter from Michaels. It is not edible. It is not safe for the eyes. Use at your own risk. I took this and put it on my lips, and I have the lip gloss underneath, so it had something to stick to. And this is pretty much the look. I will also just put a disclaimer. I'm being extremely careful. I am not going to swallow any of this. I'm not eating or drinking, and if I do, I'm going to take it off. So just want to put that disclaimer out there. Use at your own risk. I also, let's see, am I zoomed out? I also have this necklace I got. I have these temporary tattoos. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you like this video. I will include some photos and stuff after, because honestly, this is only the first part that is done, and I still have to take some photos, all this and that. I did film my TikTok. Let's just hope and pray that it all turns out the way I envisioned it. If you guys have ever dabbled in video editing or TikTok editing, oh girl, it is not for the weak. I cannot, especially lip syncing, girl, I cannot tell you. I love Chappell, okay, let me just say that. I cannot tell you how many times I've heard the song Super Ultra Girl. It is a lot. I did lip syncing, I did a bunch of takes, and so it's just like playing in my head, and I can't wait for when I edit this and then I have to listen to it 50 more times. It is not for the weak, girl. Super graphic, ultra modern girl like me. It's a lot, but I think it's cute. I'm excited. I might even go out in public and see what the girls and the gays have to say. A little alien walking amongst the world. Oh, actually, hold on. Okay, so I actually got this too. I don't know how I feel about it, so don't judge me. This is actually really cute. I actually really like it. I'm gonna wear this for my photo shoot. Oh my god, this is actually so fucking cute. Maybe I'll film one more little quick clip wearing these. Okay, so let's wrap out this video, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. I hope you enjoyed my Chappell look. Yet another one to add to the playlist. I have done a bunch at this point, so let me know if you want to keep seeing these. Let me know if you'd rather see me do another artist, Olivia Rodrigo. Her new album is coming out soon. As you all know, I did the Sour video also. I did the Sour makeup also. So yeah, I don't know. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you so much for being here. Go check out my TikTok and my Reel, because I promise it's all worth it. Okay guys, thank you so much for being here. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! I look insane. Oh my god. What scary movie is this giving? I can't figure it out. It's giving like The Nun. I do not like at all how the white is making my eyes and my mouth look disgusting. They look like they're filled with blood. Oh my fucking god.